How much time would you spend installing a ceiling rose and adjusting cable for pendants and other fittings? 15 minutes? 20? More? But now you can do the job in just 1 minute or less without the complexity of the old way. Introducing the OneMotion recessed ceiling rose and cable adjustment system, a world first, exclusively from LimeLite. Now, it's this easy. Just connect power, then feed the cable into the 70mm hole and follow with the OneMotion ceiling rose as directed. Its flexible, spring-loaded arms keep everything secure and flush to the ceiling. To adjust the cable height, just disengage the OneMotion ceiling rose, take the excess cable out of the ceiling and locate the cable lock. Give the lock a twist and slide it to set the right height. Then twist it back and the height of the light is perfectly set. Job done. And you can do it all without having to disconnect power. Just 1 minute, or even less, with OneMotion. Only from LimeLite. Innovation with purpose.